Let's take a look at employee engagement and unionization. Why else do workers unionize? Modern surveys conducted studies that measure things like employee interest in being represented by a union, confidence in senior management, and employee engagement. A particular survey concluded that 50% of actively disengaged employees would vote yes to unionize, while only 20% of such employees would vote no to the union. It concludes that paying attention to employee engagement levels within your organization helps to foster positive relationships between employees and management and decreases the likelihood of a workforce seeking union representation. Gallup surveys complement these conclusions. For example, among over 500 organizations in which Gallup measures employee engagement, 45% of non-union employees were engaged, while fewer, 38% of union employees were engaged. Findings like these don't prove that engaged employees are less likely to support a union effort in their organizations, or that unionized employees are less engaged overall. The findings are correlational, however, so they only prove that when the employee engagement goes up, unionization goes down. It would be at the same time management policies affecting both employee engagement and non-unionization efforts. Policies that improve employee engagement may also reduce unionization.